So myself Manjula Athani, HOD of Computer Department. So already we have uploaded 5 videos, and this video, that is 6th unit, we should cover in this video, that is servlets. After watching this video, the students will able to understand the following unit outcomes. The first one is explanation of the servlets life cycle. Second, use of generic servlets to develop the application. And third is use of HTTP servlets to develop the application. And fourth is that the last outcome is cookies and using cookies and session tracking for a given problems. The total weightage of this chapter is 12 marks. So core, before that we have already studied the core Java. The core Java is used to develop the standalone application, and this advanced Java, in this advanced Java programming we are using the servlets. Servlets are used for to develop the web applications. So to develop the web application we are using these servlets. Suppose we have to publish a web that any person can access it. Any person can access this application is called the web application. Is it clear? Web application means what? And suppose that is a google.com is there, that any person in the world can access this data from this Google site, gmail.com, facebook.com. So if you want to develop this web application, we are using this servlets. Is it clear, students? No. That is the application which provides service over the web. The customer can use this application is called a web application. You can give the example of result or ICICI bank details. User, that ICICI bank detail user ID is there, password is there. If you are giving this user ID and password, you will get the bank details. Is it clear? That is a web application. For the web application purposes, we are using this servlets. That for processing purposes, we are using this servlets. So if I'm giving the simple using, if you are going to any hotel, immediately the waiter is coming and giving or providing a menu card, and using this menu card the customer will uh, uh, give the order by seeing this one plate idli and one plate chapati and all this bhaji chapati and all this. So for this you can see the every day you are going to the hotels for that purpose. So here once your order is, that menu card is giving, menu card is what? Menu card is by seeing the menu card you are giving the order for that. So once you are reach this hotel, after seeing this menu card, that menu card means what? User can see, the end user can see this menu card and giving the order to that. For that this menu card is using prepared by this what? JSP or HTML page. Using this HTML page, the user end product will be, user can see it. That menu card user can see it. That is developed by this HTML or JSP code. JSP, that is Java server page. So after this, seeing this one, you are giving the order, and that waiter is going to the inside that and say to that the cook is there. That cook, he is giving order that. So one plate idli, and then cook what he does. Cook will receive the order, and according to the order he picked some items from the store. Some store is there. From that store he will pick the items and prepare this whatever the order is there. If idli is there, he is preparing idli, and this preparing this one, this preparation of this whatever the orders are there, preparation is called that is called what? Servlet. After that, preparation is over, the end product, the idli and whatever your order chapatis will putting into the plate, and that order will come to due to that end user. So that what that idlis or what are there, that are called again this JSP. That is a JSP is meant for that presentation logic, and servlets is meant for what? Processing logic. So जो भी process हो रहे उसको बोलते हैं processing. That cook is there. Cook, you cannot see the cook. So cook क्या करेगा? अंदर से वो processing करेगा. So that cook is what? That is a servlets. Is it clear? So servlets are the, and this picking the items from the store. The store means what? That is a JDBC, that is. So that is a what? Database. From the database he is picking the items from this store. Is it clear? So servlets means what? Servlets are the basically the processing logic. See here. That is introduction. Just I am reading this. Servlets are basically the Java program that run on the server. These are the programs that are requested by the HTML documents and are placed in the browser window as a response to the request. The servlets class is instantiated when web server begins the execution. Here, web server will do the execution. For the servlets programming, you require the web server. Which are the web servers? Tomcat is there, Glassfish server is there. So these are the web servers. Resin is there. So you, for the web application, you need the web servers. To run the web application, compulsory some special software is required, is called the web server. So web server is a what? That is an environment to run the web application. Is it clear? The servlet class need the web server to begin the execution. The execution of the servlets is managed by the servlets container. So servlets web server contains the servlets container. That is what? That is a Tomcat or Glassfish server. The servlets container is used in Java for dynamically generate the web pages for the server side. Therefore, the servlets container is a part of the web server that interacts with the servlets for handling the dynamic web pages from the client. Is it clear? Therefore, servlets container is a what? That is a web server. So it is a part of the web server. That is web server that will interact with the servlets for handling the dynamic web pages for the client. So servlets are the most commonly used with HTTP, and sometimes servlets are called as the HTTP servlets. So working of the servlets. When a client makes a request for some servlets, he or she actually uses the web server in which the request is written as a URL. So user will send the request in the URL part. The web server then sends this request to the web browser send the request to the web server. The web server first finds the requested servlets. See, in this diagram, you can, the end user is there, the client is requesting for any web pages. So that request will go to the web browser, and web browser will finds the particular servlets. कौन सा पेज आपको ओपन करने का है क्या है? So that servlets. So building the web page on the user's request, and web page will be displayed on the end user, displayed on the web browser. Is it clear? The web browser then send the request to the web server. Web browser क्या करेगा आपका? Web server को भेजेगा. Web server first find the requested servlets. कौन सा request आया वो search करेगा, and then obtain the servlets, gathers and the relevant information in order to satisfy the client request and build the web page accordingly. And so this web servlets will find the request and send that page to the client. Thus, the request made by the client get satisfied by the servlets. Is it clear how this servlets works? Advantages of these servlets. The servlets are very efficient in their performance. The servlets are platform independent and can be executed on different web servers. The servlet's working is based on request and response. Any HTML form can take the user input and can forward this input to the servlet. These servlets embedded on the web servers using Servlets API. The servlets provide a way to generate the dynamic document. For instance, servlets can display the information on the current user logged in and his logging time, his last access, and total number of accesses he made, so forth and so on. Multiple users can keep coordination for some application among themselves using this servlets. There are many more uses of these servlets. Is it clear?